Yo, what's going on, Nash? It's all of us here, and we today are doing a cook-off strange food edition challenge. So me and Jude are gonna go head-to-head against Luke and Brennan, and we're gonna see who can make the best dish.
We just spun a wheel to see what gross foods we're gonna be implementing, and it's gonna be a fun time. Here we go.
Brendan has turned off the smoke alarm.
I can't breathe, I can't breathe.
He needs fresh air.
Oh, you can't just turn it off.
So the fire department's on their way. We called 911.
We're making we're changing our recipe to a porridge.
Drizzle like nothing over it.
We're restarting.
Bro, they should automatically lose for that. And they set the smoke alarm off.
Watch out, hot pan, hot pan.
Put your hand in the back so it has.
What's up? Oh, what's up, y'all? It's Joe. I'm about to eat this pickled egg real quick. Whew, here we go.
This doesn't need to be dry, right? Warm
really
is so
good.
sore.
Actually?
It's fine. It tastes pretty good. They're pretty good.
Oh my gosh, it looks like Ichiban. Brennan, soy sauce.
You guys never needed
No, dude.
No, we need that separate pan. I don't know.
Yeah, separate.
I don't know.
No, just put it in here.
It's wet.
It's only
For our
fair.
judges.
It's only fair.
Oh.
I mean, look there. Oh my god. What is clam juice?
Oh no.
Is it?
Our spam
I
being
think
cut
so.
up. Jay, did you put them into our
Yeah.
fry?
Just, mash some garlic.
Are you good? Oh, I hate it.
Dude, you want to try it?
No, I like gentle. Always add more. You can't take away.
Ready?
Oh my god, that's awful.
Here we go.
It just smells so bad.
It doesn't smell that
I
bad.
hated it. The vinegar is heavy, but like.
Wait, let's put the spam
like
to
that?
the
What
side
should we
so it can
add?
go direct. Here we go. Now we're cooking with clam juice.
I think maybe you're right. I thought maybe it would like help it along, like make it an evener coat.
Really? I don't think so. It's a good source of natural fiber. Ooh. Gotta be careful licking your fingers. You never know what's on there.
Too much of something.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
He took a look at
Dude, he literally bit half of it off.
Luke stuck it in his throat.
he didn't even like it.
You don't like it?
Did you like it?
Ew. Your guys just looked good at first, and now you're like just going down.
Dude, it's egg salad. It's not supposed to look good.
Hey, I've seen egg salad before.
Have you seen pickled egg salad?
I've never seen beach egg salad.
Ew.
It's southern.
Really soupy. It's southern.
Rip it up, like tear it. Get it like some minced greens.
All right, the herb.
Or wait. Should we put a pickle slice on top?
You guys want to eat clam juice? Oh, we should pour a little.
Why did you take my lettuce? Why did you take my lettuce, contestant?
Um,
How do you invent? By getting outside the box?
exactly, bro.
They did do close-ups.
No growth is made in the comfort zone, and no comfort is in the growth zone.
All right, Chef Moore. Chef Rohan, please.
All right, chefs. Today we brought you spam and clam, chicken fried rice.
So which two items did you have to implement today? So we actually had some seared salmon. We refined it with a half a bottle of clam juice for you guys. Spam.
Spam, not
All
salmon.
right. I like the appearance. I think the appearance looks very nice. Looks like something you'd get at a restaurant, and the seared salmon on top really it makes the dish.
Well, I hope you do enjoy.
Hope you like it.
Well, thank you, Dave.
Let me get a little everything on this. We'll see.
Somehow stir-fry sauce.
Get some spam.
Seared to perfection.
Kung Pao stir fry sauce on the top, seared to perfection.
Okay.
You can really taste the clam juice in the rice.
You know, I can I can slightly taste the clam juice. It's not overwhelming, and I think that's exactly how it should be.
Thank you. Half a bottle went in there too.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, chef.
I do like that.
Thank you, chef.
I agree. And whatever sauce you put on it, it seems like a Kung Pao sauce.
Good taste, chef.
Thank you, chef.
Good taste, chef.
It
Thank you,
tastes
chef.
really good.
Honestly.
Thank you, chef.
Very nice.
Congratulations, you two. You did very well, but we're gonna have to see how your competition did.
Thank
Thank you,
So
chef.
stay tuned.
Thank you,
Thank you,
chef.
chef.
Thank you, chef.
All right, yeah.
All right, chefs. Rise.
So what did you make for us today?
So today we have a pickled egg salad, open-faced deconstructed sandwich, southern style pickled egg salad with some greenery on top and some hot honey twist.
Topped with hot honey.
Let me say, first impressions, very moist.
Very moist. It's very liquidy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
That's where
liquid.
the southern-
Yeah, no, there. Yeah, that's southern. That's southern style.
I'm not too familiar with how the people down in the south do it, so maybe this is totally correct.
Yeah.
And the lettuce does add a nice touch, I'll give you that.
you,
And the
thank
drizzle of honey.
I do like the presentation. I like the whole greenery. I like, there's a lot of colors in it. I appreciate that.
And what 2 items did you have to use?
We had to use pickled eggs as well as anchovies, or sardines, sorry, sardines, which we snuck in there as well, all in our egg salad, so.
After you. I guess we could actually do it at the same time. We have 2
Oh,
of them.
that's perfect. I love that.
Definitely wet.
Yeah. Cheers.
First impressions, there's a lot of flavor going on. Are you getting that?
Absolutely. I'm getting a little peachy.
I am getting peachy.
Oh, Yes, we do. Oh, well, it's southern
I'm
style.
getting really peachy, actually. And then I feel a sense of a little spice in the back.
Yeah, I think that would be the hot honey that they use. I like the addition, maybe a little too much. We'll save that for the review though. All right, I think we have a lot to talk about, and we'll be right back for the review and see who your champion is.
All right, so here's the breakdown. It took a lot of thought, but this, what'd you feel about this?
I thought that it was a little too runny, a little too watery. I also thought that there was too much flavor. I didn't think it tasted awful. I didn't think it tasted disgusting. There's like a flavor bomb went out in my mouth, and I don't know how I feel about that.
I'd have to agree, I think it was really wet, really, really wet. But honestly, I would give it a 7.3, honestly.
I would be a little bit lower, but I still would probably give it a 6.5.
All right, and for this, I liked everything about it, honestly. The presentation was nice. I mean, I think this presentation was a little bit nicer, but this, it definitely won in other categories.
I disagree. Sorry.
Really?
I think that this looked amazing. I thought it looked like something you could at a restaurant, and I don't know as much about that one. I didn't think it looked terrible, but maybe a little sloppy at times.
All right, well, for this dish, I'd have to give it, honestly, a solid 8.7.
I was actually thinking the exact same score. We're on the same page. I'm gonna give it an
I think it
8.7.
was absolutely
And that means
delicious.
our champions are Chef Rohan and Chef Swartz.
Thank you, judges.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thanks for watching, everyone.
you.
Have a great rest of your day.